950 square meters at 800,000 pesos. It's a titled property along Barangay Road located in Duero, Bohol. Overlooking to the sea, it has 4 coconut trees. Then there are also big trees and bamboo trees on the property. So money siya guys, nindot kayo ni pang overlooking. So the boundary is this one, oh. Then if you can build a house somewhere in the boundary, you can see the view of the sea. So nindot malantaw ang lagat. So there are 3 big trees included in the property. Nagko nga kahoy. So again, it's a titled property. Tama na siya guys, no? 2 kilometers from National Highway. Duha gyud akong gisukod. Then actually the property is flat, pero pag abot na to dire sa may murag utlanan dapit, medyo ni slope na siya gamay guys. A little bit sloping on the near the almost on the boundary side. So this is a good for residential and small farming, no? Pwede ra gid siya pang small farming then residential. Water, electricity are available. So okay ra gid siya kayo guys. So it has a wide frontage in the Barangay Road. So dako siya og frontage sa Barangay Road. So kining kuan daw kining kartong saging ning straight, no? So money ang owner guys, he is guiding us, no? The one who guide us. So makita na to, no? Okay ra sad ni kaayo, no? At least, no? At least. Pero kung negotiate yun ta guys, later na lang ha. Kanang at least ato maklaro gid ang nga nakagusto ta kay para kuan. So let's say it's negotiable. So kuan lang ta. No problem, no, regarding the situation of the property. Labong lang kayo, nakakahoy na, yana magina. So maybe later on, no, makakuan ra gid ta. So kanang gitudlo dia guys, although according to the owner also the adjacent is for sale sad, no. So mo final ra ta, no, adjacent is for sale. Mas nindot kung mapalit na to ang likod kay murag mas modako at same size, the same size. So manay naka-advantage. Pwede na to paliton ang likod, natubangan ang likod, no, front and the back portion of the property. And these bamboo trees are included on the property. So mura siya ni creek diri gamay guys, a little bit creek in this portion, no. Ana mo agi ang tubig katong kuan kay kay ang mohon diri dapita na adin hinga side. So manay istorya ni owner, no. So again, it is eastern part of Bohol province. So mga Duero, approximately mga kuan ni guys, mga 1 hour and 30 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City or Panglao International Airport. So okay, it's a coastal town, so you can have a swimming, no, kay nindot man sa mga dagat diha. Pwede ka maligog dagat dito dapita guys, mga 2 kilometers away from the property. So pila ra man na kuan. So signal is good also guys. There is a signal, no. Wala problema kay naaman ta sa ibabaw. We are at the mountain area. Sa sinugdanan guys, just imagine lang yun guys sa kanang 2 ka kilometro, medyo taas-taas yun siya, 2 kilometers. Pero sige lang kay ingon-ingin ni man yun eh. Depende man na nato, no. Pero gusto kag peaceful place, nindot ni puyan guys. Medyo a little bit color, no, medyo dili siya saba kay diyan naman ta sa bukid-bukid, pero neighborhood are na mga neighborhood yun, there are neighborhood on the property, so no problem with that, no, there are neighborhood on the property, no. So safety, no history of mga struggling diha dapita, walay problema, no. Kuan ra gyud kanang nana yang CBO guys. So okay gini kaayo po ug atong mapalit ni. Ari ka sa ibabaw. So again, the price is 800,000 pesos. Negotiable. Okay. Then kuan ni guys, no, background lang, no, gamay. This is a resell, no, gipalit ni siya niya baligya sad pag-usab. So it's like kuan guys, murag business, no, negosyo gamay. So murag buy and sell. So ana gini. So dili na ang original owner ang nagbaligya, pero napalit nila sa present owner. So mao na status sa property nga atong ginabaligya guys. So as for me, it's a good property. Then you can buy this property because it's a good property. Then you can see the neighbor in front of the property, and it has an overlooking view to the sea. Okay, thank you and God bless.